Hi guys, in this video let's see how to share files between iOS and Android in real time easily. For this we need to install an app named MI Explorer in our Android device. So go to Google Chrome and search for MI Explorer XDA and search for it. So click on the top link from the search results. Scroll down for the download section. From here download the latest version, or else I will give a download link in the description. After downloading it, install it on your device. As I already installed it, I am skipping this step. So open the install MI Explorer app. So allow storage permissions, click OK here. Now on the top right corner click on three dots. In this menu click on servers. So here for start FTP server click on edit icon. In this menu change the timeout to max value. So I am clicking 999 to get the maximum time and click on save. So go back and in your device turn on your personal hotspot. Now click on start FTP server. So once we clicked on FTP server, here we can see one IP address and port number. We use this IP address and port number to establish connection between iOS and Android devices. Now let's move to iOS. Here I am using iPad. Now connect your iOS device to the hotspot which we have created in our Android device. So I have connected my iPad to the hotspot of my Android device. Now open the App Store and search for Documents by Redil. Install this app. I have already installed it, so let me open it. This is the startup screen, so click on next here. And at last click on cancel. So here you can see the app interface for the iPad. Let me show you the app interface for iPhones. So here you can see the connections tab is found in the bottom bar. From here I will continue in my iPad. So here under connections click on add connection. Click on FTP server. Here enter any name of your choice as title and enter the host, which is the IP address we got from MI Explorer app. This IP address may be different in your case. Enter the IP address which shows in your MI Explorer app and last 4 digits as port and click on done. So here you can see my iOS device connected to my Android device and I can access the files available in my Android device on my iPad. Now I will show you how to share files between two devices. Select the file which you want to share from Android to iOS and click on download. Here you can see the file is getting transferred from Android to iOS device. The file got transferred to our iOS device. Now I will show you how to share files from iOS to Android. Before sharing your files, your file must be in Documents app. If your file is in some other app, copy it to Documents app. Now select the file which you want to transfer from iOS to Android and click on upload. Here select the folder to where you have to upload. Here I am selecting movies folder, so and click on upload. Here you can see the file is transferring from my iOS device to the Android device. The file transfer got completed. Let me show you the file in my Android device. So in movies folder, here you can see the file which we uploaded. Now let me show you why I call this technique as file transfer in real time. Because in this method the files that were just created, like if you have taken a picture or screenshot, that file gets reflected right into your iOS device so that you can copy instantly to your iOS device without setting up anything. Let me show you by sharing a screenshot from my Android device. So let's navigate to screenshots folder. Here sort the files according to date so that we can see the newest file on top. So here I open the latest screenshot. Here you can see the time is 11:35 when I took the screenshot, and on my iOS device the time is 11:35, which is reflected instantly, which I can copy. That's all for this video. Thumbs if you liked it, subs if you loved it. Thanks for watching.